In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Keep look cute in just 5 minutes. Google Keep is a versatile tool for jotting down notes, organizing your thoughts, and setting reminders. But did you know you can personalize it to make it visually appealing too? Let's dive in and explore how you can customize your Google Keep to reflect your personal style. First, let's open Google Chrome, your go-to browser for all online activities. Type in keep.google.com into the address bar. This takes you to your Google Keep dashboard, the central hub for all your notes and lists. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window and look for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate to and select Keep. This will bring you directly into your Google Keep Notes platform. Now that you are in Google Keep, it's time to create a new note. Click on the Take a Note area. This is where you can title your note and add any important information or thoughts that you want to keep track of. To make your notes stand out, let's talk about customizing headers. Adding images to your note backgrounds can make them more eye-catching. Canva is a great tool for creating these visually appealing headers. If you haven't tried Canva before, it's a simple design tool that lets you create custom images, perfect for crafting attractive note headers. For those who are ready to add some flair right now, simply click on Add Image in your Google Keep Note. This option allows you to upload a picture directly from your device. Open an engaging image or design you've created and watch how it transforms the look of your notes. Another great way to brighten up your notes is by changing the background colors. You can choose different colors to represent different types of notes, or just to suit your mood. With Canva, you have additional options to change the background color of your headers to match any theme you are creating. If you prefer a quicker method, navigate back to Google Keep, click on the color palette icon, and select your desired color. This feature is perfect for quick changes and adds a splash of color to keep you inspired and organized. By following these steps, you've now personalized your Google Keep, making it not only functional but also uniquely yours. These simple touches can enhance the time you spend organizing, making your planning not only productive but also beautiful. Thanks for watching, and happy note taking.